Welcome to Linden, Tennessee, a small town with a big outdoor scene. Tonight I'm staying at the Commodore Hotel and they're having live music. We're gonna be visiting a speakeasy and in the morning, a little bit of kayaking. So join me, we're gonna go get checked in. The Commodore Hotel was built in 1939, completely refurbished and restored now by owners Mike and Kathy. This is my room. King size bed, this room has mini fridge, microwave, and central air conditioning. Yes, that I can control. You'll see all kinds of antiques and relics left behind in the building and rediscovered once the renovating began. On Friday night, the Commodore comes alive. We'll give you a few reasons, Josh. Live music, friendly faces, and the best cocktails in its very own speakeasy. So gather your friends and wind down for a bit, because another adventure always comes the next day.